Hey guys, it's Bagel with 2A's and welcome back to another video. And today we are continuing the Planet Crafter series part 2. And yeah, because I want to continue it, which I can. Okay, so in the last video I said I was gonna go explore that shipwreck over there, but I'm not going to quite yet. Okay, I need some ice real quick. And then water bottle. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is expand my little base to iron or titanium. Okay. Here's a titanium. And then iron. And another iron's right here. Alright, so let's go back. Okay. Let's expand it that way. I'm gonna grab this because it's kind of in the way. So, a level 2 backpack. How do I build that? Iron. I have the silicon and I need a titanium. Okay. Okay. So, oh, that's what I was gonna do. So I got my new backpack. Oh, now I can hold a lot more. Okay, let's take everything from here and here. And then destruct them. So I'm gonna put that right here. Near the entrance. And then my crates over here. And I'm gonna start organizing. So let's put all of this stuff in here. Like the food and water type stuff. And then other things in here. Whoops. Is that fully grown? No. Okay. So what am I gonna unlock next? Probably this. Or maybe the... Yeah, it'll be this for sure. I think. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna take some things with me. And now I'm going to go over here to explore this place. Okay, we are here. And I'm going to build this right out here. And there's a storage crate right here. I'm gonna get everything that's in it. Let's eat that space food and get that. Let me do sharp. Okay. So I'm going to put some storage crates in here because I know that there's going to be a lot of stuff in the ship that I'll need to get. And I don't want to go all the way back to my house, to my base for that. Okay, so let's... Oh, hold on. I need to get a microchip torch. Whoops. Okay, so I will take this back. Now. Okay, so what do I need to build this? Oh, that's easy. I have 1 magnesium. And then there's a bunch around here. So. Alright, so let's build it. But I do not have enough room. So. When do I get a storage? Or not a storage thing? 10 NK? That's really far away. Okay. So I'm gonna have to be flexible. I have a strategy, don't worry. Here I have a strategy. So I'm gonna take my construction out and equip my flashlight. Because I don't necessarily need to build anything in here. Okay, living compartment window. Alright. So now I can actually see in here. Level 2 deconstruction chip. Right, okay. So, some spacesuits. I guess I'll take them. A microchip, I need that. And I'm gonna take everything actually. Even the crate itself. Then I'm gonna go back out and empty my inventory real quick. Okay. Yeah, I have to be very, very flexible with my exoskeleton space. Okay, there's a crate right there and over there. Aluminum. I will take that. And I will take everything. Uranium and iridium. Okay, I guess I'll take both of those. I mean all of it. So, okay. There's that, like, one area that I haven't explored yet. Over here. Jeez, this place is a wreck. Okay, I got a lot from that. Oh. I need this. Super alloy. Okay. That will be very important for later. It's not necessarily important now, though. Fabric. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of silicon and titanium. So I have everything now, I think. Let me make sure. Yes, I do have everything. Okay. Okay. So next, I have to bring everything back to my base. It will take me a minute, so I do have to, well, I guess I'll just cut the video until I am done. Alright, you guys, that took forever. Like, forever to do. But I have these microchips, or blueprint microchips, whatever, and I can decode them in whatever the screen is called. So let's do that real quick. Level 1 agility boots, that will be useful. And then Mining speed. Okay. So if I'm gonna want a level 2 exoskeleton, I'm gonna need a lot more heat. And as you can see, I do not have room in my base. At all. I guess I could put one in there or something. Okay. Well, I know what I'm gonna do though. I'm going to expand even more. So I'm gonna build 2 more of these. So 4 iron and 2 titanium. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then... Oh, titanium's in here. 1, 2. Okay, so... let's go out here. I'm gonna expand it out this way. Perfect. Now my base is bigger. And... yeah, look at all this space I have now. I'm gonna have to move up again. Oh no. Okay, so this is what I have for now. So basically I have iron, cobalt slash magnesium, iridium slash uranium, silicon slash titanium, other like fabric and these spacesuits, health stuff like food, water, oxygen, and then finally we have rare, which is like aluminum and super alloy. And then we have seeds up here. Okay, so I'm gonna deconstruct these now and move them back. Actually, I'm gonna move my heater right here. I'm actually gonna build a second, whatever these are called, and then put my heaters in this room back here. Perfect. Alright, so I need some water. There. And food, actually. Okay, so how do I make veggie tube? Iron, ice, magnesium. Okay, perfect. Iron, magnesium, and I need some ice. One and 2. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take this out. Put this here. Okay, that's there. Okay. Level 2 vegetube. Well, now I might as well destroy those. Okay. Hold on. I have seeds. So I got these new better seeds than the Lerma because they have 200% oxygen multiplier, which means that my oxygen will be going up a lot faster with these seeds than with Lerma seeds. So I needed more wind turbines. Let's go build 2. And more asteroids, okay. So let's build them up here. So I like to build them up here. Boom. Okay, there's a lot going this way. Okay. So let's not get hit by one of them, because I do not want to get hit. That would be scary. Okay, so I'm honestly might as well make T2 vegetubes instead, because they would be better than the level 1s. So I need silicon. I think I have a silicon. right? Yes. Let's put one right here. That in there. And then I need another one. So another ice and another silicon. Okay. Let's go out this way. Got an ice. And then I need a silicon over here. Perfect. My lonely drill out there. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna build one of those next. And level 2 Vegetube. Look how cool they look. Okay. I wish that was touching the ceiling like that one. But it's fine. They still look cool. So look how fast my oxygen is going up now compared to the other two. Heat and pressure. So I'm gonna need to build more heaters and more drills. Let's start with the heaters. So I have a bunch of iridium from that ship. So let's build 2. And I know that this is gonna kill my power. So I'm gonna build another one of these real quick. Just build it all the way up there. And then I need another silicon. Okay, so I have my resources. And let's put both of them down. Yeah, I was expecting that, to be honest. Hold on. Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna use my last iron to do another wind turbine. Build it up there, and power restored. Okay, I'm gonna get more iron while I'm out here because I'm completely out. And I'm gonna get the other resources for this too. Okay. Okay, so I got stuff for drills too, which I am gonna build. But first, I'm gonna get some oxygen before I die. Okay, so let's build them next to our drill. There and there. I was expecting that. That's why I got extra for some wind turbines. Okay, let's build one there, there, and there. Oh, I just realized I have solar panels now. That would be better than those. But it's okay for now. So, T3 backpack already? Okay. 2 aluminum, titanium, silicon. Okay. I'm gonna get a silicon really quickly. If I can find one. Where's the silicon? Right there. So, this area over here. Obviously I've played this game before. I said that in the last video, but I know it's over there, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't, unless you do play this. Again, if you like space and gaming, then I would totally recommend this game to you. It's called The Planet Crafter, and it's on Steam. So, yeah. Okay, so now I need aluminum for the whatever. And now, look how much space I have now. Okay, I need some water too, because I'm getting low. I'm gonna drink it. Okay, so I do need the screen progress for my first steps or whatever. And then after that I will get a beacon at 5 NK. Which the beacons will be very, very nice. Oh, nice, I got a level 2 heater. Okay, well, this video is getting kind of long. At least for me it is, because I had to move a bunch of stuff. So, thank you guys for watching. The Planet Crafter series is not going anywhere. It will stay forever. Well, until I finish it, which will be a while, you guys. It'll be a while. I promise you that. So, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I will see you guys all next time. Goodbye.